At the count of three, I want everybody in the place to be to make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3. Hit me with the horn, 20. Keep making noise. Keep making noise. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go now. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Now listen. Some of y'all might know this, and some of y'all don't. Some of y'all might get with this, and some of y'all won't. But listen, let me clear my throat.
Percent inmates. Excuse me.
For the soul of America.
Oh! Have mercy, babe. Ha! I hope you don't mind. Let me clear my throat.
You know, in this battle for the soul of America, democracy prevailed.
I am a reptilian.
We, the people, voted. Faith in our institutions held. In America, politicians don't take power. People grant power to them. The flame of democracy was lit in this nation a long time ago.
He's here! My mystery date!
Mystery date. Are you ready for your mystery date?
And we now know nothing, not even a pandemic or an abuse of power, can extinguish that flame.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Battle for the soul of battle, for the soul of battle, for the soul of America. Battle for the soul of America.
Go there, check it out. Rock to the rhythm of the funky rhyme, so I can get busy just one more time to the beat, and you don't quit. It's that old school rap with that new school hit. Need a pipe and pick the pimp up, the cool rap the rhyme, and I can still rip up the house. Every time I get on the mic, I go crazy. Peace out to CeeLo, Flex, and Doug Lazy. I bet you never knew, but now you know.
You know, in this battle for the soul of America,
Let me